Now, I'm going to go about explaining how to use these process expressions to make usable blend shape geo. I usually start off by editing the neck and border edges. The reason for this is that sometimes the edges of an extracted expression can be fairly rough. I solve this issue by simply creating a blend shape on the base mesh. Then, using the Paint Blend Shapes Weight tool found in the Paint Base Weights tab, I'll start cleaning up the mesh. Here it will be as simple as isolating what you want to keep and what you don't, and finding a smoothing point which gives the look you are looking for. I tend to smooth and contract, then smooth again, to control the drop off of the mask. Now I'll show you how to split the mesh in half. This method is identical to solving the border edges. First select one half the mesh. I've done this by using vertex selection in the UV editor, and due to the fact that my UVs are symmetrical makes selecting half easy. Second is to go into the blend shape paint mode. Here, simply fill the selected vertices values to 0. If everything was correctly implemented, when toggling the blend shapes, half of the face should have the expression while the other half remains stagnant. From this, we'd want to smooth the drop off to avoid any jagginess. So simply select the smooth option and press fill. After completing the half expression on one side, I duplicate the mesh to save it. Then I prep the blend shape mesh for mirroring. There are multiple ways of doing this. However, the best method I've found is to simply query the vertex blend shape data and subtract the value from 1. This reverses the weight value. In an established pipeline, I'll usually use an easy selection set script to automate this process and have multiple different mask selections for a faster turnaround. After making enough blend shape meshes, you are now ready to create a blend shape rig.